Hi, it's Kwon Sam. When someone complains or doubts themselves too much, Koreans can say,
약해빠진 소리 하지 마.
it's like saying don't be so weak, stop whining, or don't talk like a loser. Example. A friend complains during a workout.
약해빠진 소리 하지 마.
In K-drama,
이상한 변호사 우영우.
the female lead hesitates to accept the love of the kind male lead. Her friend, secretly liking the same guy, calls her out.
누군가 나를 좋아하는 건 쉽지 않아.
뭐?
나도 그 정도는 알아. 너는 선녀지만 나는 자폐인이잖아.
너는 그런 약해 빠진 소리 하지 마. 쉽지 않게 뭐가 쉽지 않아.
Say to wake someone up when they're stuck in self-pity. It's strong, short, and very Korean. See you in the next video.